What's going on, folks? It's Kip
and Dave
coming at you live from the Miami Boat Show down here in beautiful Miami, Florida. It's getting close to evening time. We've got just another 2 hours maybe?
Another 2 hours, and it's day 5, Kip.
Day 5, 2 hours left to day 5. It's been a great show. Weather's been fantastic. Food's been fantastic. Even the company's been fantastic.
And we haven't been thrown out of here yet.
Haven't been thrown out. We've been thrown out of a lot cheaper places than
We
this.
are in another restricted area that we're not supposed to be in down here by the water, but we wanted to get to a location that we could show you guys a good, decent background as we talk about this new product, right, Kip?
Yeah, I think we're going to talk about another new product here. You know, we teased about it the last couple days. Showed you one this morning, showed you one yesterday, and we've got another new product that'll be launching this April, May, June timeframe we talked about. I think we're going to let you know about it too.
All right, without further ado, I'm going to try to turn this around without making people seasick and turn over to Kip.
You got it.
And bam.
Bam. We there?
Yep. You got your makeup on again?
Makeup. Yeah, you know.
Sweet.
It's as pretty as it gets right here.
All right.
But everyone, take a look. As you can see, this is the new color scheme that we showed you earlier in the video about the 8-channel amplifier. This is our new 1200.2 KXMA 1200.2. So what that means is this is a 2-channel amplifier, develops 300 watts per channel into a 4-ohm load, or 600 watts per channel into a 2-ohm load. So if you haven't figured it out already, this is one huge 2-channel full-range stereo amplifier that makes 1200 watts total power. Now if you look at the back, let's go to the back here, Dave. I'll just spin it and you get on it. You can see you've got your 4-gauge ground and power terminals, remote turn on. You've got your speaker connection leads right here. We have our RCA inputs and outputs. And then along with the ride, we have our auto turn on circuit. And that is something that applies to basically all KICKER amplifiers today, not marine or 12 volt. And that you can have this amplifier turn on with a 12 volt turn on lead. You can have it turn on with DC audio or DC, and you can have it turn on with audio. The DC is great for factory units if you're tying speaker leads right in, and then audio is literally audio turn on. So if you happen to be in a situation where you can't get a 12 volt turn on lead, you can use these other turn on modes to get this amplifier to fire up when you turn your music on. So I'm going to flip it around, Dave.
Okay.
These are 3mm Allen screws we talk about. When you back those out, the door will drop down or let you get to the door. And as you can see, full rubber gasketed seal. So that's when you're done. You close it up, tighten the screws down. It keeps water from getting into the amplifier. And if you look from here, we've got our gain control. We got our high pass crossover, our low pass crossover, and the kick EQ. Here you can dial up to 18 dB of equalization boost at around 40 hertz, about Q of 3, so it's a nice equalization circuit on there. You can see that we have high pass and low pass together on this amplifier, so you have the entire option of doing a high pass, you can do a low pass, or you can engage the band pass filter and you can do a band pass. So the flexibility on this amplifier is huge. With the low pass, you can go from 40 to 500, flip the switch, and now you can go from 400 to 5K. So this amp's great for using with mid-bass, mid-range. If you're using it to run a big system like mid and tweeter combo separates, you can use it for that. But all the controls you need are underneath here. And then I do want to point out right here, this little port cover right here, this is a programming port that we never ever want you guys to get into. A lot of people don't know it, but all of these marine amplifiers in the KX line, this is all DSP. Meaning when you control things from here, whether you set your crossover points, you adjust your gain, you dial up the kick EQ, this is just analog controls talking to the DSP housed in this amplifier. So it's a very high quality DSP, so you're going to get everything that you paid for as far as sound quality. When you set a crossover point, it's going to be accurate. And this is a port that we use at Stillwater Designs to actually program the software in here if there's an upgrade or something we need to do, but this is not something you use in the field. So always leave that rubber plug on.
All right, let me switch around here. I'm going to join you, Kip. All right, so you guys can see another new product in the marine lineup for you to utilize out in the field.
That's right. It's brand new. Like I said, it's a big amplifier. You're talking 300 watts a channel at 4 ohm, 600 watts a channel at 2 ohm. And the really cool part about this is a cool amp. But I can't tell you.
No,
but I'm going to give you a hint.
Okay.
But I can't tell you.
Don't tell them, Kip.
But it's not that I can't keep a secret.
It's
the
me.
people I tell.
It's me. It's the truth. Go ahead.
You know, some people ask, man, that's a big amplifier. I mean, we're glad that you've got it, but what else you got? What do you got such a big amplifier for?
All right. That's enough, Kip. That's enough.
And all I can say is,
stay tuned.
stay tuned, because there's a reason that we have an amplifier this big and a stereo 2-channel amplifier.
All right, Kip, you know what we're going to do? We're going to have to get off of here because we're going to have to go up there. This is day 5, so we will be shutting the booth down here in a little while. But we're going to come back one more time and just do a recap with you guys, and there you have it.
Be a little bit of a wrap-up. You know, boss, we're not outside again. We're just not out here enjoying the weather. This is a fake backdrop.
It is fake, yeah.
We're at the booth. But in all seriousness, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed a little rundown of the new KXM 1200.2. And as always, this is Dave.
And Kip.
Thanks for joining us. See you soon.
Later.